This lesson is all about augmented reality, and what we're going to do is take our face and we're going to put a mask in front of our face. So in order to do this, we're going to create an image first. We're going to create our mask. Now you could import images from the internet. So if you just want to import already made masks, you can do that. But what we're going to do is create it from scratch. So I'm going to show you how we can do that now. So we're going to use Keynote to start with. So let's swipe down and open up Keynote. Then we're going to choose a theme and we're going to choose a white blank one here. Let's open that up and delete the text. So tap, delete, tap, delete. Now we're going to create a selfie. We're going to take a selfie of ourselves. So I'm going to go up to the paperclip here, and then I'm going to take a photo or video. Switch the camera around, and I'm going to create a selfie of me. Here we go. There is my selfie. So I'm going to use that now. I'm going to tap on Use Photo. So let's tap on that, and then it's going to insert the selfie into my slide. We make sure that the image is selected, and you can see it's selected by the blue handles. Now if I tap outside, now it's not selected, so we need to make sure it's selected, and then we tap the paintbrush, and then we're going to make sure that we're in style and move the opacity down. So let's choose it, make it about, I don't know, 30%. That's good. Okay, so that's basically what we're going to use as a template for our mask. Let's tap on the paintbrush again, and let's go to the paperclip and choose Add Drawing. That brings up our drawing tools. Now I'm going to use the pen, and let's choose a black outline. So I'm going to now start creating my mask based on my face here. So let's do that. So I'm just going to draw around my face like so. Make sure you join up. That's really important. Then I'm going to draw my eyes. These are the holes where my eyes are going to be. And then I want to draw a place where my mouth is going to be. All right. And that's probably the only ones that you need. The only holes you need: 2 eyes and a mouth hole. You could put a nose hole in there as well, but I'm going to leave that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use this tool to fill this in. So I'm going to choose yellow. And let's have a yellow face. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give myself some horns here. Like so. Let's choose another colour. I'm going to choose a red nose here. Like so. I'm going to put a red nose in. And let's give myself a little bit of stuff here like that. There we go. All right. And I'm going to give myself a green beard like that. There we go, like so. Okay, so there is my mask. Now, obviously, you can spend a little bit more time doing that. So we're going to leave that as it is. We're going to tap on the blue tick in the corner. And then we are going to tap the image behind. So the selfie that we've taken, and delete it. There is our mask. Now let's tap on our mask and make it big enough to fill the screen like so. Okay. Now that's filled the screen. Now what I want to do, I want to make the background transparent. Okay. So tap outside. So you've not selected anything. Tap the paintbrush, go to background, and then you want to choose no fill. There you can see that is our mask. Okay. And then let's tap on the paintbrush again. And now what we want to do is export this as our mask. So let's first of all rename this. So I'm going to call this my mask. There we go. Now I want to export it. So we tap on that menu again. We go to export. And these are the important bits. We're going to go to images. Now this is important. Slide range, we only got one slide here. But if you made multiple masks, then you would have to then choose which slide that you wanted to export. But we're going to only choose that one. we don't have to worry about builds. We are going to choose, this is very important, that you choose PNG. If you choose anything else, then it's not going to get rid of the background, okay? It will be a black background. We also need to make sure that it says transparent backgrounds is on. These are the two important things that you need to do, okay? Otherwise, it's not going to work effectively in the way that we want it to. Now we can press export. Now, here is another important thing that we need to do. We need to export this to our Files app. So when you see this menu, you're going to view more and it says save to files. Then we need to choose somewhere where we're going to save it. Now we could choose on my iPad. We could do it in the downloads. We could create our own folder. So I'm going to go to on my iPad. I'm going to choose a folder. And then I'm going to call this folder masks. And then we can go into that folder. Now we're in the masks folder and then we can save it. Okay, so my mask is in that folder on my iPad. Okay, right, that's all we need to do in Keynote. So that's the Keynote stage done. Now we can use Reality Composer to put that mask on our face. So let's do that. We're going to go and open Reality Composer. So swipe down, type in Reality, and there it is. And then what you want to do is let's go to on my iPad and let's go to our masks folder that we created and let's create our Reality Composer project in the masks folder that we created earlier. So we're going to tap on plus. Now, this is where you need to choose which one you want. Now, we could, if we choose the horizontal anchor, then we'll have to delete the stuff and then choose the right one again. So we want to go straight away to face. So let's tap on face, like so. That's going to create a brand new project. And you can see here, when I swipe my finger around like this, you can see there is my mask. Now, we don't want the hello world, so let's tap on hello world, tap it again, and press delete. There we go. That is our mask. Now, if I spin it round, you can see there is my mask like so. Now, it's not going to do anything at the moment. We've got to put our mask into this project. So, first things first, what we need to do is press the plus button. Then we're going to search for a frame. Now, we want to choose a frame without a border. So let's choose this one here. All right. And you can see now, if we go round, there is my frame. If we move that over, there is my frame. Now, if I tap on it, like so, that green arrow, I want to move that forward a bit. So it's maybe just above the nose. Can you see? There's the nose. You can see the nose pointing out. We also want to make it a little bit bigger. So let's make it bigger. We can change the size again later. Let's like that. There we go. Now we can move. The green one is going to move it back and forth. You can see there it's moving through my mask. That is where the mask is going to sit on our face when we use the augmented reality. So let's move it forward so it's just the nose is popping through. Now, obviously that is not my mask. So we need to make sure that we put the mask in. So on the right hand side here, you see configure. We want to choose. So let's choose photo. So we need to then go to our plus and remember that folder that we started. It was on my iPad. It was called masks. So let's go down to mask. There it is. And there you can see my mask. All right. There is the one that we want. So let's tap on that and open. Now that's not going to put it in. It's just going to put it in our files over here. So now we need to select it. So let's select that. And there you can see our mask is there. Now it's a bit small. So we're going to make it bigger using the scale here. Like so. And we can see there like that. And if we move it round, we might be able to move it up. So our eyes, let's adjust it so it's all in the right position. Like that, I think. Okay, that will do. Now, this is the fun bit. we've done all the hard work now, and what we can do now is play it. So we're going to go into AR mode. Just going to step away to my green screen for this bit. Okay, so we're going to go over to our AR mode here. We're going to press AR, and there you can see my mask is there. Okay, if we press now the play button, that is now playing. And I can see my mask is in front of me now. Whatever I do with my head, my mask is going to follow me. Then what I can do is I can swipe down from the top. I can press this record button. That you must make sure the record is actually in your control panel. So we're going to keep my finger on the record, turn on the microphone, and start the recording. Let's tap away. And now this is my mask, and everything I'm saying now is being recorded, and I can move closer and I can move further away. I can move it around like so. And then what I can do is I can stop the recording by pressing the red button and stop the recording. That is going to save in my photos library. Now, let's stop that and let's turn off AR mode. All right, so there is our mask. Now, if I go to my photos library now, there you can see is my recording. So I can tap on the recording and I can play the recording. This is my mask. And there we go. That is the recording. Now, what I can also do is I can hold it down. I can go to the share button and then I can share that into the platform that I want. So maybe Shobi, I can share it into Google Classroom, etc., and then share that in that right place. So that is how you can create your own mask and put that mask into augmented reality on top of your face. Good luck.